creating the button. Next, I'm going to show you how to design a simple button which could be used in a wide range of iOS app design. So the first thing we are going to do is we need a brand new document. Go to File, New, set our dimensions to 640 by 1136. Make it white, and you can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter at this point. Press OK. Well, as we now have our blank document, we need a button. And to create a button or any kind of other form elements like tabs, checkboxes, or whatever, we usually create them by using shapes. And to create our shape, you need to go to a shape tool right here. By pressing and holding the mouse button, you get a few more different options. For now, I'm going to choose a rectangle tool, which is the first one in this list. As you got your shape tool selected and active, just click and drag on your blank page. As you got, now it pulls up this dialog up there. For there, you can customize a lot of different things for this shape or a button. Right now, what I want to change is the background color. In order to change your background color, just press this box, this colored box right here, and you can choose from those different colors the Photoshop gives you, or you can press this to select your color from color picker. And select this cool looking bluish color. Alright. Close this dialog box right now. The next thing we want to do is to add a text, so the users would know what they're pressing on. Select Type tool by going over there, or just press T on your keyboard, whatever you want. It's up to you, but I would, Then you have your Type tool active, just click anywhere else outside the actual shape and write a login. Select a font you want. Alright. As you have your Type tool selected and active, you got a few different options on top of the screen where you can change your actual font. Anything about a specific font, right here, size, alignment, or a color. I have a super cool font installed called Lato, as you can see over there. A few different options for Lato. And for this, I will give you a download link where you can download it absolutely for free. So I select a Lato font, make it light, and set the color to white, which is already set. Alright. Accept all the changes and on current edits. Now I have to move our text on top of the button because we can't see the actual text. It overlaps with our background color white. Grab a Move tool or press V on your keyboard. Move your text down and place it where it should look good enough. And to center it right with our shape, just Control click or Command click if you are using your Mac on both of those layers, shape and text. And when you have both layers selected and Move tool active, you can press this option to center the text along with a rectangle, like this. So that's how you create a simple button in Adobe Photoshop.